Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will discuss about the top 10 benefits of Sarvangasana. So let's get started. Top 10 benefits of Sarvangasana. Number 1. Prevents thyroid problems. Sarvangasana helps thyroid and parathyroid glands to bathe in blood, thereby absorb nutrients from blood, thus good for the health of these glands and their functions. It also revitalizes the throat and neck regions, ensuring blood flow to it. Second, good for heart health. In the pose, the body is inverted and venous blood flow to the heart without any strain by force of gravity, thus good for the proper functioning of heart and also prevents palpitations. Third, soothes headache. During performing Sarvangasana, the head remains in the inverted position and supply of blood to it is regulated by firm chin lock that leads to soothe the nerves and headache. Regular performing of this asana may cure headache and migraine completely. Fourth, treats hypertension. The pose shows soothing impacts on the nerves, thus good for those who are suffering from hypertension, irritation, shortness of temper, and nervous breakdown. Fifth, treats insomnia. Due to inverted position of the asana, blood circulation to the ENT region gets enhances and facilitates nutrient supply in this region. Sixth, relieves constipation. This asana regulates free movement of the bowel and vanishes constipation completely. Seventh, gives vigor and strength. Practicing this yoga pose on regular basis helps to provide new vigor and strength, and the practitioner may experience peace and confidence. Eighth, relieves stomach ulcer. It activates the abdominal organs and relieves from people suffering from ulcers, intestinal ulcers, chronic pains in the abdominal region, and colitis. Ninth, beneficial for asthma. The pose exerts pressure on the sternum against the chin that prevents breathing from the top of the lungs, thus cure asthma and other respiratory problems. And 10th, relieves from varicose vein. It reduces blood pressure to the blood vessels of the legs, thus gives great relief to the people who is suffering from varicose vein. It is also good to the disorders at the heel and groin region. Under benefits of Sarvangasana. Besides the above benefits, the shoulder stand pose is also known for beauty, skin care, managing hair problems, curing sexual problems, and weight loss. Some of the surprising benefits of the Sarvangasana are: Number 1. Prevents hair fall. This asana increases supply of blood as well as nutrients in the scalp region, thus prevents hair loss, hair fall, and premature graying of hair. Second, sexual disorders. Sexual problems and disorders associated with it get relief from this asana. It is effective in case of frequent abortions, leukorrhea, syphilis, etc. Third, weight loss. It smooths the metabolism functions in the body and helps to regulate weight. Fourth, enhances your eyesight. It is good for eye vision as it accelerates the blood circulation in the ENT region. It is also the solution of hearing as well as smelling power of the nose. Fifth, skin care. It helps to remove toxins and other waste products from blood, thus prevent many diseases related with skin. It prevents wrinkles, pimples, delay aging. It facilitates adequate blood supply to the forehead region, thus good for facial problem. Hello friends, if you find this video useful, then like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.